What's up everyone? We just bought this $20 drone off Amazon.
And we want to see if it could keep up with our $600 custom FPV drone.
With drones being so expensive now, we wanted to see if a $20 drone really was worth a good price.
A lot of companies on Amazon are saying that their drones are super easy to use and straightforward, but we wanted to test how true that claim actually is.
We're going to be testing both of these drones through different tasks, and we're going to see who will win. Let's find out. Okay, so first off, with the super mini drone, they mentioned on Amazon that this drone would last 40 minutes of flying, and so far the max time that we've got it to fly is about 7 minutes. And if you're doing anything very extraneous on the drone, it's gonna cut that time in half easily, and you're gonna be getting a 3 to 4 minute fly time per battery. And with a battery this size on this small of a drone, we would expect something a little better.
This drone on average gets about 6 or 7 minutes of flight time with a battery about this big. You can really customize with this drone how big your battery is. I can fit a 5,000 milliamp 4-cell battery onto this drone, and it'll give me about 15 to 20 minutes of flight time, which becomes really nice.
This drone retail is $40, but since probably no one wanted to buy it, it was on sale for 50% off, and we got it for
$20.
$20.
So for the custom freestyle build with the air unit included, it runs you about $350. To be able to fully fly this drone, which includes the drone, the air unit, the goggles, and the controller, it'll run you about $1,200.
So the mini drone unfortunately does not have any type of camera to film when you're flying, but the custom FPV freestyle, you can put any camera you want on if you have a camera mount, either a Osmos Action Pro or a GoPro. And then it has the DJI air unit capabilities.
The next thing we're gonna be talking about is easiness of flight. This drone actually has some difficulties with flying. We flew it about 3 times successfully, had 1 hard landing, and now whenever we try and fly it, play the clip. It goes completely sideways and doesn't work at all. This will fly consistently well with having no issues, which is great.
And finally, the most important thing of deciding if you should buy a $20 or custom FPV freestyle build is flight and how well the drones fly under different circumstances.
So when you have this drone in a mode called horizon mode, it is actually able to self-level itself pretty well as long as you have calibrated the accelerometer properly. Then it'll hover pretty much seamlessly. Might take a little bit of trimming it out, but after that's done, it works pretty much every time. So when we initially started flying this drone, it was flying so bad that we actually thought our drone was defective. So we went ahead and exchanged it with Amazon, great seller, no complaints on Amazon. But they returned it and they accepted it, and we got a brand new drone. But no, it is just a crappy drone.
The drone's fault that you know, it was flying so bad. We didn't even have enough time to film in landscape before the drone started tweaking out and going sideways and not even flying.
Yep, that is unfortunately the truth.
So this is probably, I'm not gonna lie, the worst drone that we've ever seen in our years of drone flying experience. But we'll definitely be returning this drone, getting our $20 back. So thanks for watching this video, a little bit of a different video this week, but we just wanted to test the difference between not spending a lot of money and spending a lot of money on drones. And we totally recommend spending the most amount of money. You get to customize and have just a better overall drone.
If you guys want us to continue this series going up in budget, go ahead and like and subscribe the video. If we get at least 1,000 likes, then we'll do it with a $50 drone.
Awesome, we'll see you guys next time, Flying Fridays. Maybe we're flying it wrong.
No, I don't think so.